this video. A couple of weeks ago, I was talking to a coworker about my reread project, and I think what happened was she asked me if I had read the most recent Stephen King book, and I said no, I'm doing this reread thing, so I'm starting at the very beginning, and I'm going through them that way. I mentioned this reread project, and she said, oh, do you have all of them? And I said, yes, I was part of the Stephen King library, and then I also have books that I bought when, I didn't get any more from there. So she said, well, if you need any, or if you want them, I've got them, and I don't, have any use for them anymore. So if you want them, you can have them. And I was like, well, if you don't want them, I will take them. So I didn't think anything of it. I went on vacation, I didn't really think too much about it. And then my first day back at work, she was like, I have a present for you. And she gave me this big box of books, which I have not opened. And she didn't really give me much information. I didn't want much information. She told me she threw in the newest book, so I don't know if that's The Institute, maybe, or it could be Elevation. And she said that some are definitely book club editions. I don't know if there's anything really rare in this box, but I'm gonna do an unboxing. Open it up. It's really heavy. We have The Institute is in there. So this will be great because I have not read this. We've got 11/22/63, which I loved this book so much. I've always been a Kennedy, I don't know what you'd even call it. I've been very fascinated by the entire Kennedy dynasty, the Kennedy curse, the assassinations, all that stuff. So then we've got Under the Dome, which I have only read this one once. I seem to remember liking it. Revival. Also, I've only read this one once. Yeah, they're so weird. Bag of Bones. Smell musty like library books. This is so cool. We've got Rose Madder. Hearts in Atlantis. The Girl Who Loved Tom Gordon. Now it looks like we're getting into some of the older stuff. It's got Gerald's Game. I still have not watched the little Netflix miniseries. Or not miniseries, made for TV movie or whatever it is. Oh, here is Dreamcatcher. I remember not really liking this movie when it came out. Got Cujo. One of my favorites, Firestarter. This one has seen some stuff. She did not keep hers as nice as I keep mine. Got Christine. Stephen King and Friend. Oh, Salem Plot for sure. Possibly my favorite Stephen King book of all time. Okay, this is not Stephen King. She gave me Gone with the Wind. Two Gone with the Wind books. Okay, we've got Pet Sematary, which you know I love. And The Stand. So, all in all, a lot of good books. I didn't really need them, but Stephen King books for free, might as well. I will look through these and see if I can find any indication that any of them are I doubt they're rare. But yeah, that was my mini Stephen King book haul, I guess. I will probably read some of those for this project, and these might actually end up going on a shelf downstairs for, you know, anyone who wants to read them, because I wouldn't be as concerned if something happened to these as I would if something happened to my hardcovers. Or, you know, I could take them on trips. It's just much more convenient to have a second copy of all of these hardcovers. So that is it. I will talk to you later. Have a spooky day.